Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can identify your fraud calls in your Redmi smartphone, how you can enable this feature, and how you can read unknown numbers. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone app, click on the settings. Here you can see this, and here it is the setting identify unknown numbers. Click on it and you have to activate your caller ID, upload and identify your unknown phone numbers from call history and text message. Just enable this feature and you can know about this feature by clicking on this. You have to just read this, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.